How to activate Revolut Card Under 18. Unboxing a fresh Revolut Under 18 card is an exciting milestone for financial independence. Trying to use it for online shopping or a quick contactless tab immediately after opening the envelope will result in a declined transaction. To prevent mail fraud, Revolut locks down all digital features out of the box. Today, we are pushing through the network security block to activate your physical card in this video. So to activate the card's underlying EMV chip, you cannot rely on a phone or wireless reader. You must complete a traditional physical transaction. So head to any brick-and-mortar store or local ATM, insert the plastic card directly into the physical payment terminal slot instead of waving it over the reader. Input the unique 4-digit PIN code that was set up during the initial card ordering process in the app, and authorize a small purchase or request a quick balance inquiry. The exact moment the terminal validates your PIN and processes the data packet, the card's security state shifts to active globally. Now, if the transaction fails or the scene accidentally types the wrong PIN 3 times, the system will execute a security freeze. To fix this, you need to trigger an override from the parent or guardian's primary Revolut app interface. So have the parent open their app, head to the bottom menu workspace, select accounts, tap cleanly onto the kids and teens profile bucket, and click on the specific card asset. Navigate inside the card's dedicated settings matrix and open the option called Unblock PIN/CVV. And this will flush the system errors from the accounts profile on the back end, allowing you to return to any terminal and run a clean chip and PIN transaction. So hit that subscribe button right now to keep your mobile fintech setups and optimization tricks, and thank you for watching.